Multiply 0.28 by 100 using long multiplication. Since the order of the factors does not change the product, write 100 on top and 0.28 on the bottom to use fewer partial products. For now, ignore the decimal points. Start with the rightmost digit of the bottom factor, 8. 8 times 0 is 0. The next digit is also 0, so that column is 0 too. 8 times 1 is 8. The first partial product is 800. Now use the next digit to the left, 2. Start one place to the left. 2 times 0 is 0. The next digit is also 0, so that column is 0 too. 2 times 1 is 2. The second partial product is 2000. Now add the partial products, working from right to left. The ones and tens columns each add to 0. Move right to left, one column at a time. In the hundreds column, 8 plus 0 is 8. In the thousands column, bring down 2. The product of the whole numbers is 2800. Count the highlighted digits after each decimal point. The factors have 2 decimal places altogether, so the product needs 2 decimal places. Place the decimal point 2 places from the right. 2800 becomes 28.00. That is simply 28. So 0.28 times 100 is 28.